Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are returning, thanks for checking again. And if you are new here, well, it's good to have you join us. Today's recipe is something that you can make on those cold, lazy mornings when you would like to take a break from the usual porridge oats. It's a quick and easy oatmeal cookie recipe. I literally made this while still in my onesies. um, so stay tuned to see how we make it. To start, you're going to need these few ingredients. 1 cup of porridge oats, a quarter cup of melted salted butter, 1 medium egg, a quarter cup of condensed milk, mixing stick, egg mixer, measuring cups, a mixing bowl, and you also need a baking tray and a baking paper. So to start, you break the egg into the mixing bowl. For the butter, I just microwaved that amount in about a minute to make it liquid. Pour the butter into the egg and mix that together. Then you put the condensed milk into the mix. And mix it together. If you notice, we are not mixing it vigorously, it's just mixing it just enough to be able to combine the mixture together. And the last thing you add is the oats. And mix all this together. As you can see, initially it looks wet and slightly a bit runny. Don't be alarmed by this. This will get soaked up by the oats. So we're going to leave this to sit and soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. And while you can go watch a movie or something during this time. Right, so now we have let it sit for about 20 minutes and we can see that it's now all soaked up with, and all the wetness is all completely gone. And it's firmer. and that's the texture that we are going for. So here I'm just using a small spoon, as you can see it's a teaspoon, to scoop and place small portions of the mixture onto the baking tray that's lined with the baking paper. And then I went on to smoothen the sides, the edges, just to make it a bit rounded, for presentation. Now put this in a preheated oven at about 160 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes, or until it starts to get golden brown around the edges. Once it's done, once this time is up, in this case I did it 160 degrees for 15 minutes, and bring it out of the oven, and you can see it's hot. It's still a bit soft because it's still hot, so we're going to allow it to cool down, so that it becomes a bit more crispy around the edges. Okay, and that's it. The final product. Your oatmeal cookies are ready to serve. Really cool down now. You can see what it looks like. That's good. It's nice and soft on the inside. It's a bit crispy on the outside, and it tastes really, really good. It's got the right amount of sweetness because of the condensed milk that we added. So the sugar from the condensed milk makes it nice and tasty, and also gives it a little bit of creaminess to it. So it's the butter and the condensed milk gives it a nice creamy flavor to it, and that's really, really good. So I went on to eat mine with a hot mug of berry fruit tea, and I really enjoyed it. Okay, so if you have watched up to this point, thank you very much for watching. If you liked what you saw, please give me a thumbs up, like this, and please share with your friends and family, and with anyone you feel might benefit from this recipe. Okay, and also if you are interested in simple, quick and easy homemade recipes like this, then have a look on other videos on this channel, and also consider subscribing to this channel and turn on your notification bell as well, so that you can be notified as soon as we post any new videos. Okay, thank you very much for watching again, and until next time, bye.